everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So today I have for you guys a super simple makeup trick, and this is something that I do almost every day. Kasi when I do my makeup, I really want my eyes to be emphasized and I want it to be, brighter and bigger. And in this video, I'm gonna teach you guys how I achieve bigger, bolder, and brighter eyes in just a few minutes. As in, sobrang bilis lang, I tell you, you're gonna love it. You only need 2 products to achieve bigger and brighter eyes, and I have here products from Maybelline. So they sent these over for me to try out. But actually, natry ko na siya before kasi nga, I'm such a user of Maybelline. And the first one is the Hypersharp liner. If ever you're the type of person na parang gusto mo yung sobrang precise ng application, like sobrang, girl, look at this brush. Sobrang ano niya, as in sobrang thin. It's perfect kasi you can really get into those crevices, and then if ever ayaw niyo yung iba chunky, diba? Tendency kasi, if you're not really that sanay pa with using eyeliner, tendency if you use something with a fat applicator, mess up mo and then you'll end up looking like a panda. Di ba yun yung problem ng iba? But with this one, it's so precise. So small strokes lang siya and you can really achieve that beautiful, beautiful cat eye. And you can definitely control how thin or thick you want your eyeliner look to be. So sobrang bongga niya. And it's no secret naman how eyeliner really makes your eyes look super bongga. Like big and beautiful talaga. So ako everyday ako naka-eyeliner. Not everyday naman. Whenever I go out, I just put eyeliner. I am working first with the cat eye, yung dulo. So I do this line, and then from the top, I go back down. Sobrang bilis lang kasi once masanay ka talaga, you just have to practice talaga. Once masanay ka, it will be a breeze. So make sure lang to keep your hand steady. You fill in all the gaps, and then you can also go here sa lash line ninyo, you just fill those in para hindi siya pangit tingnan. And then just slowly work your way towards the inner. And then from here, you can either decide if you want your eyeliner to be thicker or thinner, or okay na siya, or even if you want to clean up the edges, kayang-kaya kasi ang ganda nga ng applicator niya. Super ganda. The next step is of course curling your lashes para yung lashes natin talagang mag-open up ng bonggang-bongga. And then top it off with mascara. Now, I love a lot of mascaras from Maybelline, pero ito yung isa sa mga top favorites ko. It's the Hypercurl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. I've been using this for years. As in, sobrang girl. Let me know in the comment box down below kung pareho tayo na mascara. As in, I love this mascara. It just really opens up your eyes. It holds the curls, and then hindi siya nag-smudge at all. So it's really so bongga. And then I also put some on my lower lashes para talagang bukang-buka yung mata mo, like really open up talaga. Here I am showing you guys a comparison of my right eye and my left eye. Di ba sobrang laking difference? Ang galing talaga. And all you need, 2 different products. Super bongga. For the prices naman, the Hypersharp liner is only 299 pesos. I think that's really affordable na considering it's really good eyeliner. Doesn't smudge. Look at this. Look at that. Girl, all day, all night yan, bonggang-bongga. And then the Hypercurl mascara, 199. Super mura. I love it. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Ganun lang kabilis to achieve bigger and brighter eyes. I'll have the link in the information box wherein you can buy these 2 products if ever ayaw na lumabas ng bahay. It's available on Lazada. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!